guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in the way that I achieved this look right here, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate each and every view, so let's go. Alright guys, I'm starting out with my favorite Onyx primer for Makeup Revolution, and we're just gonna put that all over the face and make sure that we blend in. Now we are applying the Makeup Revolution translucent powder in the color terracotta to our face. And the reason for that is because I have extremely oily skin and we want to just keep it dry all day. So instead of applying Milk and Magnesia, which I know some people do, I am trying this powdered look to see if I can get a dry matte look all day. As you can see, I'm applying it all in my T-zone because I get extremely oily there. It doesn't matter if I use Milk and Magnesia unless I use like the whole bottle. So I'm just applying it everywhere that I'm going to get oily just to make sure that that place stays dry. Even in my eyebrows, I get extremely oily there as well. For me, I would kill for you. Would you run up the bag if I needed you to? Girl, the things that So now I'm just applying my foundation here. Nothing has really changed at all with my foundation routine except for me just trying to use powder at the base of it to see if I can keep it dry all day. We're still using Tart Cosmetics and the clay foundation, so yeah. Think I messed up this time. You say it's Jay and Beyonce, but I feel like Lucy and Ricky. I wanna know when it pops off that you're gonna be right next to me. Are you afraid of something? Baby, let me know. Cause I don't need love from no one if I can't have it all. Yeah. Would you die for me? I would die for you. Would you? Okay, as you guys can see, I am a creature of habit. I like to use the same products over and over again. So I'm going to use the Morphe concealer just to highlight. As you guys can see, I'm going to use one color in my T-zone, and then when it goes to highlighting right under my cheekbones, I'm going to use a shade that is 1 to 2 shades darker. It just makes it a lot easier to blend in my personal opinion. As always, you guys can do whatever it is that you like, whatever you feel comfortable with. Riding around with the top off, baby, we've been driving around for some time. I think we should slow it down, baby, cause you might have missed the signs. You say it's Bonnie and Clyde, but I feel like Bobby and Whitney. Don't know if you ride for me or if you riding against me. Are you afraid of something? Baby, let me know. Cause I don't need love from no one if I... Okay, so when it comes to contouring, this is a personal preference. As you guys can see, there was a natural contour already when you highlight under your cheekbone. If that's dark enough for you, then you can stop. Me, on the other hand, I like to be overly dramatic, and I kind of like my cheekbones to be a little bit disrespectful. So I start out with 2 colors. The first one is going to be that Morphe color that you guys see more on my forehead. It has a red undertone to it, so it's not as harsh. And then I go in with the Makeup Revolution. It's a foundation stick, and I believe it's in the deepest shade they have, and I just put that kind of like on the apples of my cheekbone just to give me a more detailed contour look. And if you guys pay attention, you can actually see me dipping into it. I actually use so much of it that I don't have that much anymore, so I have to dip into it. Let me know. I actually couldn't wait to show you guys this trick right here. So this is for my ladies who do not know how to contour your nose, i.e. me. So I'm going to raise my hand. You actually put a little bit of your contour foundation or whatever you're going to use, and you put it on your tweezers and then run it down your nose, and then boom, you have the perfect contour, guys. Got all the things that I do for you, would you do for me too? Yeah, yeah. Got all the things that I do for you. would you do for me too? Yeah, 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 yeah. Riding around with the top off, baby, we've been driving around for some time. I think we should slow it down, baby, 'cause we might have missed the signs. You say it's Bonnie and Clyde, but I feel like Bobby and Whitney. Don't know if you're right for me or if you're riding against me. Are you afraid of something? Baby, let me know. 'Cause I don't need love from no one if I can't have it all. Would you die for me? I would die for you. Would you shoot for me? I would kill for you. Would you run up the bag if I needed you to? Girl, the things that I do for you, would you do for me too? Dark nights, we had some dark nights, baby. Now I can't see the lines. Going 105 miles in 20 miles.
Okay, I know you guys are probably like, damn girl, that's enough translucent powder. But I am packing it on because I did my eyeshadow last this go around. I usually do it first, but I did it last. And so whatever leave out falls out from my eyeshadow, I do not want it to fall on my foundation and get stuck. So if I pack on the translucent powder, then I can just simply brush it away. Whatever fallout I have, brush it away, and I don't have to worry about messing up my foundation. So that's what I'm doing.
Like I ride for you, yeah. Would you shoot for me? I would kill for you. Girl, all the things that I do for you, would you do for me too?
Okay, so I began to go in the crease with a very light brown shadow. It kind of almost looks tan, but it's kind of showing up a little bit brown here. I'm not sure what color this is, but I go in with a very light brown, and that's how we start off. I normally only use 3 colors for any look that you see.
Tightest hold me ever get seen in my life. Girl, me want fi just squeeze you, put me thing right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get seen in my life. Oh, behind them try and me no care. Me take it anytime, anywhere. In the square, so me no care. Long as a woman, I will be there. Me want a girl ready to take care of me. Me want a girl that can wind on me really good. I make me feel it. Show me that you can girl. Girl, me want feel all you. Put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest grip me ever get seen in my life. Girl, me just want feel all you. Put me thing all around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get seen in my life. Like a fast bike on the ball, room, 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 room. Girl, on the back and she a boom, 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 boom. Give me back a one night, the fat come. Then as me I get my boom boom. Seem them out of control. I move where she want in her soul. She's a more fun, more and still she grown. And still be multiple more. Got me what feel all ya. Put me arms right around ya. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get seen in my life. Girl, me just want feel all ya. Put me arms right around ya. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get seen in my life. Like a fast bike on the road, boom, 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 boom. Y'all pan the back and she a boom, boom. Boom, the maga one night, the fat boom, boom. But I rap and tell me I move towards my boom. See them out of control. I'll move for you, she want in her soul. As it's a more fun, more and still she grown. And still me multiple, more than me one feel more, yeah. Put me things out around, yeah. Y'all ever get seen on my.
Okay, so after you apply your lashes, now you want to do the pop of color. I am doing a pop of green, so I'm just applying that into the inner corners of my eyes, kind of right where that feline eye is, just to kind of make it pop just a little bit.
The tightest hold me ever seen in my life. Oh, behind them try and me no care. You take it anytime, anywhere. You're not square, so me no care. Long as a woman, I will be there. Me want a girl when they take care of me. Me want a girl that wine for me really good. I make me feel it. Show me that you can burn. Girl, me want feel warm, yo. Put me arms right around, yo. Girl, you give me the tightest grip me ever get seen in my life. Girl, me just want feel warm, yo. Put me thing all around, yo. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get seen in my life.
Like you need reminding, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blinded. Should've never give you my heart on consignment. And I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him. No, you took my feelings and just